Okay na?
Okay na!
Count down.
Okay.
Wait lang.
Wait lang.
Gago.
Ano, game na?
Game na.
Nababasin niyo ba ito? Ako, hindi ko ito nababasin.
I love Kuya Mario.
Sabi ko lang. Sa buhay, merong kamatayan. At sa kamatayan, yun yung tinatawag natin the great equalizer, sabi ni Steve Jobs. So habang nabubuhay tayo, let's make the most out of it. Dahil alamin natin at i-recognize natin na life is limited. Live your life to the fullest. Perfect year. Life is limited. On seize the day, exactly. Seize the day, seize the night, seize the life. Seize your life. Dahil sa buhay, here forever. At once na ma-realize mo na limited life na yun, it might be too late. And sabi nga, as long as you realize, 1 minute at a time, there goes your life. Maybe you will realize that life is essential, life is important. So do your best. You are already naked. Stay foolish, stay hungry. Stay Steve Jobs.
Ah!